Hi there, my name is Vince Harlabidis, and in this video, which is part of my series Use Your Calculator, more specifically Casio Fxcg50 in the AP pre-calculus exams, we will see together how we can actually use it to answer the following type of question. Determine the end behavior of a function. Determine the end behavior of a function. Remember that we should all know from theory that when we care for the end behavior of a function, we basically care to see what happens to the y values of the function as x gets infinitely as big. The AP uses the sentence increases without bound, or when x tends to negative infinity, which again is used under the sentence decrease without bound. So we need to see what happens to the values of f. Since we need to see what happens to the values of f, and since we are allowed to use our calculator, I don't see why not going directly to the graph. So to answer that, we should go to the graph, and once there, let me go there, we will draw the graph of that. Here I have from before this graph minus x squared plus 3x plus 9. So let's draw it and see what happens. To see the entire thing, we zoom out, and I got that graph. Hold on, instead of just copying that, I will easily copy paste it. So we ended up with, sorry about that. We ended up with this graph from which we can directly see that as we get to plus infinity, the values tend to minus infinity, and also as we get to minus infinity, the values go to minus infinity as well. Let's try out a different graph. 3x to the power of 3 plus 2x squared minus 6x plus 7. It will be like that. So let's cut that here. And here we have a different interpretation. In this case, as we go to the right, as we increase without bound, it gets infinitely upwards, and as we get to the left, it gets infinitely downwards. And that's all. That's a totally easy approach. Hopefully, let's hope that this would be one of the needed marks in our upcoming AP exams, because it is too easy. Just go to the graph, draw, input the given function, draw it, and by looking at the graph, determine its end behavior. That's all. I hope this video helped a bit to make things way easier. In case it didn't and you still have any questions, please leave them below as a comment. As always, thank you for watching.